So with most adventures, I usually start off the vlog on the road, but today we're starting on a boat. This is the Rhode Island Fast Ferry. We're off to a new place today. Very, very nice. As much as I love driving a country road, this view is a little bit more cool today. Oh yeah. I think you guys are gonna like this vlog. Hello world, it is your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts. Wait, what? Yes, had a little bit of business I had to do for Dad in Rhode Island. We were in the area, so we figured let's hop on a boat, go check this island out. So, have no idea what we're gonna find here today, but taking you all along with me to explore. No tickets required just yet. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do come along.
Camcorder. Mine. No way.
Yeah, it's a bit windy out here, but I'm really liking it. There's the boat. Check it out, I'm on a boat. Very cool. You guys know how much I dig lighthouses. It's nice to see one actually working right now. It's really bouncy out here. I have this entire front deck of the boat to myself. This is traveling, man. This is traveling. Looks like we're rolling up on Martha's Vineyard. Thank you. Guess we're just kind of following the masses here. Lots and lots of people coming off that boat right there. So we're starting the tour here in Oak Bluffs. There are some pretty cool houses to check out and a really old carousel I really want to see. I don't know why, but I always like to shoot these geographical survey markers. They're just cool. Find them randomly, different places. I am absolutely loving all these dockside businesses here. Very New England Ocean-y. Is that an accurate description? I think so. Now you all know how much I love old houses and beautiful architecture, and just take a look at all this. Just take it all in. Well, not the truck, but take it all in. Now this here is the Flying Horses Carousel. Now it's a bit crowded and loud in here, but I wanted to check this out. This is the oldest operating platform carousel in America. It's from the late 1880s. How cool is that? Now these are interesting. These are known as the gingerbread houses of Martha's Vineyard. They started off as campground cabins in the late 1800s. And many of them are still here today. They're called that way because of the intricate Victorian styles and colors that really pop out in the sunlight. Kind of cool. Now this is perplexing. I have never seen a 7-mile-an-hour speed limit before. Not 5, not 10, 7. This is called the Martha's Vineyard Tabernacle. It's kind of hard to see the top of it. I'll see if I can get a shot from the side of that pinnacle on the top. That's very cool. Yeah, there's the dome of that tabernacle. That's pretty cool. A lot of historical things on this island. Inside it kind of looks like some sort of a house of worship on the outdoors. Want to get some more of these gingerbread houses in. This one here in particular I kind of like. I'm thinking about the witch and Hansel and Gretel coming out and inviting me in to eat that siding. I'm sure it's probably not very tasty though. I do really like this one. I mean, I like these little walkways up on the top here, and look at the coloring and these spindles and all these hand cut trim. It's very cool. I believe I'm gonna have to look into it. I think you could actually rent these by the week, the month, or not sure. But how very cool. How very cool is that right there? And look, there's a celebrity sighting. Look, I think that's the lovely and beautiful Mrs. Heavy here taking pictures. Oh wait, yeah, that's definitely her. Oh, she's taking a picture of me too. You know, pretty soon we're gonna have to put your name on the channel because you've been spending quite a bit of appearances in these vlogs. And brother-in-law Neil is actually here to make his first appearance in an Unkle Heavy vlog. So, welcome, Neil.
Hello.
One of these days I'm gonna have to return to vlogging on my own, but just not today. Look at his hair. Looks like the design kind of follows in on this church as well. Well, look at these guys right here. And a cat. I think we're gonna get something to eat here. So it's lunchtime here, and you'd figure we're on Martha's Vineyard, we get fish, but all three of us got chicken because, well, because. Looks like Martha's Vineyard has a really nice public transportation system, so I think this is going to be our steed for today. Now this is a different part of the island. We're on what's called Edgartown. It was like a former whalers village. We're gonna just kind of walk around and check things out here. So when I was thinking about a New England town, this is what I imagined. Look at that. And there's complete with a whale right here, coming out of the grass. And there's a whaleboat. Looks like there might be a viewing platform up there. We'll have to go take a look. Now that there is Chappaquiddick Island, and what you all didn't get to see was me practicing on how to say that. It was kind of reminiscent of the scene from Pete's Dragon where he's trying to pronounce Passamaquoddy. So yeah, it was fun. Oh yes, very nice. Nice harbor full of boats. And a lighthouse over there. I love the ocean. There's that whale tail in the whaleboat from up above. This is kind of cool. Look at the little tiny car ferries shuttling those vehicles back and forth across. Someone here has got the life. Just hanging out by the, I guess it's a bay. I just love nautical stuff like this. That cleat right there, and look at how rusty and worn that is. It's very cool. Love the neighborhoods here. Love these houses. Very nice. I think we're gonna take a walk down there and go visit that lighthouse right there. There's a nice little hidden path, I think, to that lighthouse. Now I have a pretty good eye for stills, and I'm gonna say right about here, if it weren't for those people walking, right about there would be my $1 million shot. Oh yeah, there it is. Wasn't too bad of a walk, I'd say. Now this lighthouse is very reminiscent of the one we saw in Presque Isle, Pennsylvania. That's a shameless plug for one of my other vlogs. I think the difference is that I see people up the top there, so I think we're gonna go up there and take a look. This looks like it's steel or iron or something. Probably steel.
Thank you for coming, you guys. Travel well back to Syria. Hi, everybody going up to $5 and a dollar coming down.
All right, looking out there. Looks there's a ladder going up to the top. So this is where the original light was, and now it's been replaced with a strobe. I have to crawl through there to get outside. Looking down there, there's Michelle. She didn't want to make the trek up here, and hi. You heard me talking? I don't blame her though. I mean, it was a bit of a taxing trip. But man, oh man, just look at this view right here. It's windy, but so amazing. So amazing. What do you think, Neil? Was it worth that climb?
Yep.
I gotta show you this too. I mean, this is class. So they kind of make you crawl through. You have to earn your way out here by crawling through an obstacle course. Look, there's our shadow. Hi.
Hello.
Such a nerd. Now it's actually a pretty chilly Saturday here today. Despite that fact, there are actually people out there swimming. I'm not sure I'd go out there today, but yeah. I just have to stop and get a shot of this. That's a single family home right there. It kind of reminds me of World According to Garp. I think their house was very similar to that. But it's amazing, regardless. Looking at the back of these houses, they are very New Englandy. Very New Englandy here. What we're going over now is known as the Jaws Bridge. And go Google it and check it out. It's pretty cool. Now we're just kind of ending our day waiting for the ferry to come take us back to Rhode Island. But overall, the Vineyard was pretty cool. We should spend a little bit more than a day here, but maybe you'll have to do a return trip sometime. Looks like our ride back to Rhode Island is here. Well, it's been fun, Martha's Vineyard. Maybe someday I'll come back, get more of those Jaws filming locations. That's going to do it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up down below, share this video, tell your friends. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other videos. If you like them, consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified of any future vlogs I put up. Until next time, signing off from Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts. Bye-bye.